Alright, well, today I'm going to show you and mine's favorite cheap Chinese chainsaw. This is the Bluemax. This is a 20-inch bar, though it is a 2-in-1 chainsaw. It did come with a 14-inch bar here. I've never used it. Don't need to. I'd rather have the 20-inch bar on it anyway. Anyway, it is a 45cc. You can see there. Maybe if it'll focus. And one of the things with this is they say it's got 40% more teeth than other leading brands. But really, the Poland 5020, or in my case it's the clone, the Craftsman, has just as many teeth on it. And if you've seen my video, the 20-inch shootout, hint hint, you could see me cutting with this thing, and it didn't do bad. Of course it got its ass kicked by the Stihl MS271 and the Husqvarna 450, but still, for a saw that I paid I think $129 for, it didn't do bad. So anyway, I'll take a few looks here. We got stop, off switch, choke, gas. It does call for 40:1 ratio, but I put 30:1 in it, and it's ran just fine. Of course, the oiler there, and the oiler is adjustable. That, and this also is something I thought, or I didn't expect. Actually, it'd be somewhat easy to get to the air filter and the spark plug here. Okay. Another thing, actually has a somewhat decent air filter on it. It's actually better than several of the other chainsaws I have on this. It is a torch spark plug, of course. Oh dear Lord, hold on. Okay. Anyway, as you might expect, from a cheaper chainsaw, there is quite a bit of plastic. Not really terrible. I wouldn't say much more than a Poland on it. And it actually has a side tensioner, though this tensioner screw here is plastic. It's annoying. Don't like that. It does have bucking spikes on it. Muffler. Another thing on these is, one of the things I was worried about when I bought it was I had the Bluemax weed trimmer, that bicycle handle one. By the way, don't buy that. That's an absolute piece of junk. Terrible. Vibrate the hell out of you. Ran like hell. So I was worried about ordering this chainsaw after having that trimmer. I had returned that thing quick. Thing is absolute garbage. Do not buy it. So, like I said, I was worried about buying this. But that price, alright, and I don't really use this a whole lot. Naturally, if the job is going to take me quite a while, I'm going to grab one of the better brands there than this. This is something, just occasionally, or just to have fun with. It's something I don't need. I just wanted. I was curious. Another thing I was worried about with this was parts. I had almost considered just buying two of them. One of them just for parts. I mean, they're that cheap. But I was actually looking through the manual with it, and it does have part lists and the numbers of where you can order parts. Was not expecting that. That was kind of nice. chances are we both know it's going to break down at some point. Anyway, I'll try to do a couple quick cuts. Like I said, you can see it cutting on a 20-inch shootout, hint hint. But anyway, let's just see how it does for a few just quick cuts. Well, like I said, it's actually a pretty decent saw. I mean, for $129. Anyway, hope you liked the video.